In this video I will show you how I made $400 in just 30 seconds. And do you know what? You can too. You can copy my trades if you want to. You find link below the video for that. Will be the first link. The second link if you just want to use the broker that I'm using. Also, I'm sorry for the low quality of the video. I'm at the beach, I'm just with a laptop and a webcam, so I don't have the best setup with sound or quality, just so you know. But let's get to it and let's see how I made $400 in just 30 seconds. So, let's see if we can find ourselves a trade here now. I really like this bottom area here, it's a very good support. So if you can come down here again, that would be an area I would be interested in take a trade. Also you can see that we have some type of resistance here. So if we can close above where we are now, that can be a good continuation trade. So let's see, but the best would be to take a trade in the bottom here. We just need to stay a little patient. There, the trade came to us. So now we are in. We just need to wait 30 seconds and we'll make ourselves $400. And like I said in the intro of the video, because I'm going to show you how easy I can make $400 in 30 seconds, is that you just use the first link that you find below the video and you can copy my trades. So now let's see. We are now deep in the money, by the way, and just like that, we made $400 in 30 seconds. It's that easy. So, if you have an account with pocket options from before, what you can do is withdraw your money. Step number 1. Step number 2, close your account. Step number 3, reopen with my link, okay, with a new email, deposit the money that you had, and you will get 50% extra. This of course as long as you have more than $100 in your account. But if you want to add a little so you get $100, then you get 50% extra on your first time deposit on your new account. So it's worth it. You get a boost on your old account, we can say. So that's how you can do it. If you don't have an account from before, of course just use the first link that you find below the video, sign up, and you will be getting my signals so you can copy my trades. Or if you feel for it, you can just copy the way I trade. I will show many videos going forward how I trade and how I pick out my trades, so you can do the same like I do. So you can see now this is a morning for me here at the beach. I will now later go down and enjoy myself at the beach, and you can see I made $400 in just 30 seconds, and you can do the same. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next video.